Hey guys, remember those big fleshy peppers we preserved last week? That sounds like a long time ago. I'm a lazy YouTuber. And the mushrooms? Today, we'll use them to prepare something quick and tasty. You'll see how much of a breeze cooking is when you prepare your ingredients beforehand. We'll need the frozen peppers, corn flour. For those in the US, this is cornstarch. Chicken drumsticks or any other part of chicken that you fancy. Onion and carrots. The frozen mushrooms, you can see the color change going on there, but it's still better than leaving them in the fridge. Seasoning cube, salt if necessary, you'll see why later. Curry powder, not the Indian curry powder, oh no. And black pepper. Pepper. Is it pepper or pepper? Peppa Pig. Slice the onions like so. I prefer red onions for most meals because not only does it taste best of all the onions, according to me, it makes the food look more appetizing because of the color. Then scrape the carrots and cut them into half moons. Everything ready, let's get cooking. We cook the chicken first. I'm only adding some of the onions at this time. Adding thyme too. I don't think it attended a meeting of ingredients at the beginning, did it? I don't think so. Then add water to the level of the chicken. Over here, the boiled white rice is relaxing on the sofa waiting for the sauce. It's been ready, tete. That makes the chicken sauce the woman, right? When the chicken is done, add the curry powder. This chicken is the soft one, so it cooks in no time. Add the black pepper, the rest of the onions, carrots, and the mushrooms. And continue cooking. Mix the corn flour or cornstarch with some water to get this consistency. After about 2-3 minutes, just don't cook the vegetables to stupor. Add the peppers. And the corn flour we mixed earlier. And once it boils wodo again, you will also see that it has thickened a bit. I prefer my chicken sauce light, not thick like akamo. No. Which one do you prefer? You can make yours thicker by using more corn flour, as you like it. One important thing, I noticed that the corn flour adds a salty taste to this chicken sauce, which is actually enough for our taste buds because in this family, we do not eat a lot of salt. So for us, no need to add salt, but you can add salt at this time if you feel it's necessary. Taste buds differ. Look at it! Have you liked this video yet? Bye bye! See you soon!